Today we're solving percent problems using proportions. Two different ways to look at this. Right here is a proportion, percent over 100 equals is over of. When the problems are written and you can clearly see what the is, what the of is. For example, what is 15% of 30, 30 of what number is 45. This way is easy. The other way you can look at it as percent as a decimal, as this triangle. You have part, percent as a decimal, and then whole. So for example, if you're given the percent, let me change that. If you're given the percent, you know that the percent equals part divided by whole. If you're given the part, you know that you can do percent, or if you don't know the part, you can do percent times the whole. Percent as a decimal times the whole. Or if you have to find the whole, you can do part divided by the percent equals the whole. So it's up to you which way you want to look at that. I personally do this, the percent over 100 equals is over of, a lot more. If you're liking the triangle, you may want to watch Mr. Gilbert's videos. I believe that's the way that he does them. So, looking at the problems, what is 15% of 30? Well, if you have the percent, which is 15 over 100, equals is what is, that's what we don't know, so that's your x, of 30, that goes right there. And how do we solve a proportion? We cross multiply. 100 times x equals 15 times 30, which is 450, divide by the 100, you get x equals 4.5. Okay. Next, 30% of what number is 45? So there's your percent over 100 is 45. Of what number? That's your x there. Okay. If you can reduce as part of the proportion, go ahead. I can take a 10 out of each, so I have 3 tenths. Just makes cross multiplying easier. Or smaller numbers, 3x equals 10 times 45, which is 450. And then divide by 3, you get 150. Sorry, x equals 150 there. All right, and what percent of 90 is 18? So now it's the percent that we don't know, that is our x. So percent over 100 of 90, so the 90 is on the bottom, is 18. 18 is on the top. All right, cross multiply, 90x equals 18 times 100, which is 1800. Divide by 90, that gives you 20. So your answer would be 20%. Okay, so there are your 3 examples, 3 different kinds. Again, feel free, write this on the top of your paper. That always works. Or here, you can just move the hand as to which you don't know. For example, what is 15% of 30? 30 is the whole, so you would do 0.15, and this is multiplication going this way, so of 30, so you would just do 0.15 times 30. Whereas in the second one, you have 30%, so that would be 0.30 of what? That's your whole is 45, so you would do 45 divided by 0.30. That would give you your whole, which is 150. All right, so you can look at that one either way. All right, so go ahead. The next slide is your you-try problems. Go ahead and try those, and we'll go through some more problems tomorrow in class.